Get out there. Get out there.
Nana, guide her. She wants you to guide her.
Got her, Nana.
Get out there.
Turn on Gracie.
Oh, she's not letting go of my hand.
We gotta dramatize this now.
Oh, yeah.
Where you going?
Yes.
It's like an Easter egg hat. No, don't. It's like an Easter
Wait a
egg
minute.
hat.
Come on, Jay.
Jade, you need to get over here.
yet, not yet.
Wait till Jade gets over here. Move, Jarrett. Jarrett, you move. Is the red light on, Jade?
Yeah.
Okay.
Go.
Go.
Look what you got.
What'd you get?
Drive it, Gracie.
What'd you get? If it works.
First.
Gracie, can I ride in that with you?
You better not hit my
Get in there, see if it works. Oh, Donna's gonna.
Ain't got no insurance.
Let's put it on low first.
I'll get in there with her.
Get out of the way. Who knows if she's gonna...
Put it on low.
Girls, now y'all won't have to
You need to drive it just see for a dart.
Destiny's gonna ride.
Let me drive it,
Sit over
baby.
here.
Ride with you, okay?
Destiny's gonna ride with you.
I'm going to feel in it.
Drive.
Get in there.
Gracie, do you like it?
You better get
Gracie.
moving, or I'm gonna
Gracie,
take
do you like it?
Okay, see
Go.
if it works.
Here we go.
You gotta push the pedal.
Desi, you barely fit in it.
I am.
Destiny.
Wait a minute.
Hey, Gracie, hold on to the wheel.
Hang on.
It worked last night.
And had it plugged up.
Yeah, it worked last night. Didn't it,
Probably
Daryl?
left something on. The battery went dead.
How do you know if it's charged?
Put it on high, then turn it
Well,
on.
It
yesterday.
worked last night. We just had it out.
Having trouble?
Hang on.
No, it was like, you're out.
I can't.
You just gotta push that. You gotta
I shook it. I didn't mean to.
Wait a minute.
Whoa, let me get out.
Okay, here we
Get out of the
go.
way.
Push it down.
Go.
Go. Keep it down.
Oh my gosh.
Ah, I got a little too close.
You drive like your mother.
Don't run over the flowers.
Just like your mother.
You're doing good, girl. You're doing good. I am. Gracie, you want me to ride with you next?
I'll do it.
Okay.
Get out here in the road and drive down to Nana's school bus.
See if you can go. Jay, don't
Here
help.
we go.
If you can drive down to Nana's, get out in the road and drive down to the school bus.
We have to put batteries in. I don't think I have batteries in it. All right, go.
Don't run over me. I'm the cameraman. Don't run over me. You're coming after me.
Battery's getting low.
Got a lot of weight on it.
Why don't you have Jade get out?
Go down toward that way. There you go.
Why don't you have Jade get out?
Wait.
Go. Turn. Let go. Go, Grace. Go.
Let's go. Jade, hold it down. Pedal, Jade.
Just like your mom, Gracie. You drive just like your mom.
You gotta steer it. Okay, good, go.
And Tina too.
Okay.
Go.
Go, Gracie. It's dead. I think it's dead.
Backing up. Why don't you have Jade get out? It's weighing it down.
Hop out, Jade, just for a second. Not you. You guys stay in. Okay, let Jade stay in. See if it works. You try it, Jade. See if it works.
Oh, Jade, passengers. No, wait,
Is
no,
it not
no,
working
wait.
again? Wait a minute. Oh, you got it. Okay, now it'll go. Ready? Is it going?
Move, Destiny. You're in my way.
Well, why not? Try it.
Hold it down and push the
We are experiencing technical difficulties with the
Try
car.
it again.
it down and then you move.
It might be dead.
Well, it just worked. It shouldn't be dead.
We don't know when we'll be able to drive it
You
again.
like it, Grace?
All right, try it. Still not working?
Foot down.
Now hold the foot down. All the way.
Wait, Dash was on.
Gracie, you just don't know how cute you look in that.
Now try it.
I was like, She can't stop.
It needs to be charged.
Yeah.
There's too many in there.
How didn't you charge it?
Well, see, I tried to pick up the
Yeah, Jade, Gracie, you try. Gracie, I'll be right here. Here, I'll be right behind you. I'll be steering it for you, okay? Helping you steer, okay? Push it.
Push. Keep your foot on the pedal.
It's working. No, it's not.
Here, Gracie.
pedal. I am. Jared, give me the film.
No, I've got it.
Mom,
Stop.
Mom, can I do it?
No, they're pushing it.
Mom, can I do it?
I need to go give it a full charge, I
Ready?
guess.
Push it. Stop.
See, we got it from Walmart, and we tried to put it last night. I said, well, they must have charged it, but they must not have.
Hey, look. Oh, man, I think it's got the back today.
Look, you've even got a radio.
Yeah, we got to get batteries for that.
Oh, what kind
It
they
has a
need?
radio? Double A's, I think it said. And I forgot to get any. Batteries not included. Please refer to manual for instructions.
Does this, does the hood open?
Yeah. Right there.
Oh, yeah, for battery.
No, you would think.
Focus. Stick it down.
It doesn't
You got
say-
herd of girls. How many girls does it take to fix a little bitty Jeep?
Oh, that's
Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8 of them there trying to fix this crazy car. I'd probably find the answer to it in no more than 2 minutes.
a lot bigger.
Just kidding.
I'll get out this door. The back opens.
The battery's under here.
No, that
But we got to unscrew it.
The battery should be in the hood.
No, the battery's under the seat.
it's under.
No, what's
See, we
this?
got it. I brought it home from Walmart, and we pushed it, and I said, well, they must have charged it. And evidently they didn't. So I didn't charge it.
What?
We're going to have to charge it.
I don't.
Gracie, we're going to have to charge it.
Put it down there in the shed. And
We're going to have to charge it. I got to get my screwdriver.
Just push
and pull
the off
battery
buttons?
out. No. You want to go and open the rest of your